Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add animated text to your clips using Filmora X. To begin, we're going to drag our clip here, and it's going to tell you to match the media. Usually you want to press on match the media, but if you are working on a specific project setting, then press on key project setting. For me, that's not the case, so I'm going to press on match the media. As you can see, we've got our clip. Now, from here, to increase performance, I'm going to lower the quality, but that's not what it's going to look like in the export. So, now on this video, let's say we want to add text. We're going to press on titles up here, and we're going to go to titles. Now, there are multiple titles here. I will choose one I'm satisfied with. How about this one? And as you can see, it writes itself just like that. The quality is quite low. So the quality can be, I must make it worse so we can get this tutorial smoothly. But it writes it like that, and that's the animation. Now, in order to make the animation to our own liking, we want to right click on the text and press on Advanced Edit. Now, if you give it a moment, a window should pop up. There we go. From here, I can change the text to whatever I want. Custom text video. And we can change the alignment to up, top left, top right, anywhere. But generally, I'm going to keep it in the middle. From here, text fill, we can do a gradient fill for the coloring. I'm going to do purple. And as you can see, it's going from purple to white here. Let's do purple to black. No, purple to red. Just like that. And for the effect, we can add anything we want. I'm going to do this right here. Then you can add blur to your text or remove it. I'm going to keep it at 15. And angle of the gradient fill you can change. I think this is how I'm going to make it. And you can add text borders if you want, just like that. It's not necessary for us, but as you can see, the text is looking quite cool. So I think I am gonna add this. Now the blur, keep it low. Size can be changed, but I feel like this is perfect. And you can add shadow to your text as well. So we're gonna add a shadow just like this. Opacity and blur. And the distance is choosable. I think this is perfect. And I think the text looks very nice at the moment. Amazing. So this is the duration where the animation comes in. To edit the animation, we're going to go to the top right here and press on animation. From here, we can change the animation. These are different animations you can choose from. For us, I think I am going to be choosing probably, I think I'm going to keep the animation as it is, but we press on OK, and from here, if we have a look at the video, excuse me, let me make the quality even lower, I'm so sorry. As you can see, it looks amazing, the text looks beautiful, and for the fadeaway, it should fade by itself. As you can see, it did not. So in order to add an ending animation, we're going to double click on the text, we're going to go to animation, and we're going to press on zoom out. And as you can see, that changed it. However, it still did not change the what's called the end animation. So generally, there isn't really an ending animation to anything. And the way we have to do it is to go to transition, as you can see, and you are gonna go to basic, and you're gonna go to dissolve, and you're gonna, excuse me, you're gonna drag it all the way to the end here, shorten it, and as you can see, it will slowly dissolve and go away. So there you have it. That is how you can add an animated text to your Filmora video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.